All right, so we've started with this plan with C1. You can see right here. So C, we're not super high tech. C stands for corner, panel number 1. So that's what we're going to start. We've got this one set in place. We applied foam up underneath to seal it against the sill plate. And so what we want to do now is we want to check and make sure this is level. And then we're going to tack it down and make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. And that's good. So if one of you guys can get a screw gun and a screw, we're just going to stick a little screw right in there to hold this in place while we set panel number 2 so it doesn't go away on us. So after the panels are all up, you'll come back and nail all around the sill plates, the panels to the sill plates. But for right now, we just want to kind of make sure we're level and just put a little screw here and there to make sure we're running okay as we set them. We really prefer that you nail all your sill plates after all your panels are up, and then make sure everything's level and true, and then come back and nail all that. So we'll just put some temporary screws in as we go. Now we're getting ready to set panel number 2, which is laying right here. So panel number 2 has an electrical plug in it. So a couple of things that we want to note right here. One, we're going to have to drill a hole in this subfloor where that conduit's going to go. So what you want to do is measure from the edge of your OSB over right here to see how far the plug is from the edge of that OSB, and then how far in it is so that we can drill that hole in the right place. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to take a multi-tool and we're going to cut this off flush. We don't want this sticking down. The guys at the plant leave these sticking down for a reason, and that reason is so that you won't forget to drill a hole for your electrical. It's happened many times. So make sure that this is cut off flush, and we'll show you how we're doing that here in just a second. One of y'all have a multi-tool, we can zip that off. Now we've measured here where this plug is going to be. We measured over and in, and we determined that the hole needs to be there. Now that conduit is 3/4 inches wide, but Joey's got a spade bit that's what, 1 3/8 inches. So I suggest to get like an inch, 1 1/4, 1 3/8 inches spade bit, so that your hole is going to be plenty big, so that when you're pulling that wire, you're going to be able to find that, and you'll have a nice easy time feeding that up through. We'll set this panel here in just a sec.